global warming is something that really does impact and can impact ecosystems, agriculture, obviously storms and coastal communities, all kind of impacts. Very big issue. But in many ways, plastic pollution and waste impact people on a daily basis more than climate change today. Billions of people need fresh water to wash, clean, go fishing, and they're impacted by that immediately. Tourism, if the place is dirty, tourists won't come, and that is sometimes the biggest economy of so many islands and resort areas. There's already been studies that show that airline traffic decreases to resort places in the Caribbean because people don't want to fly there the second time if there's trash all over the beach. And so this also, the saddest thing but the most encouraging thing is that almost all pieces of plastic that are garbage have left someone's hand before they became trash and they went into the afterlife. And that means that you and I touched it. If we weren't too lazy and we put it in the wrong place, we touched it. So we're only one hand away from solving this problem. Now, of course, there's education that has to go along with that, infrastructure and the systems in place so that the cities and the towns and villages can handle that new type of garbage which doesn't biodegrade and isn't organic, which is the plastic which is lasting for so long. But this is a challenge because it does get into animals and it does impact the food system and it does impact our health in a way different than what climate change is doing. So they're both huge topics. I would almost say plastic is more complicated. With climate change, we know how to reduce our carbon if we really want to do it. We know how the technologies can work for engines and new motors and renewable energy and hydrogen and water systems. But for plastic, we also know how to do it, but the complication is all the variations and types, and now we're moving into nanoparticles and nanomaterials, which are going to be even harder to recover and redigest and turn into something new. And so this is where there's a lot of opportunity, but a huge challenge.